What's up, y'all? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details. Today I have another unboxing slash first impressions on a product for you guys. What I have right here is the Dell 32S3222 DGM. Picked this up at Best Buy for around 400 bucks, I believe. I've spent so much money lately, I don't even know how much I paid for it. Between 300 and 400 somewhere. So this is going to be my fourth monitor. Right now, my middle monitor that I use to play World of Warcraft or New World on is a LG Gear 32 gaming monitor, which is 2K, 165 hertz, I believe, which is around 400 to 500 bucks somewhere. Then I have actually a Scepter 35-inch ultra wide that I paid around 500 for, and then I'll have another LG Ultra Gear 35-inch that I want to end up actually replacing to get another curved monitor because the middle monitor and the Scepter are curved, and then the ultra wide LG is not curved. But anyway, I'm going to mount this one on top of the 32-inch curved gaming monitor that I have. And the reason I'm going to do this is for my Mac. So I have my custom PC build that's connected to the 3, and so my Mac Mini is going to be connected to this top one, so I don't have to turn off and turn on a screen when I want to use a Mac, because that's what I use to do these little short video editing. So yeah, so I'm going to open this up. Then I'm also going to open up right here, which is a 39-inch pole stationary mount that I got on Amazon. So I'll be able to put that above these monitors. So I'm not really going to be recording when I'm actually doing the install, but I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards and what it looks like before. So let's go ahead and open it up. Again, this is Dell 32-inch S3222DGM monitor. You can pick this up in Best Buy. So let's go. How's the audio quality on this Moana microphone, by the way? The way I have it right now when I'm doing reviews, when I'm standing up large items like this, it might be kind of off, but once I sit down and get stationary, it should be a much improved audio experience than what I had prior. Anyways, so you had one piece of tape in the back here. I'm going to keep the camera kind of far off since it's such a large piece of equipment. Open it up. Okay, so we're going to set it. Once you open it up, you're going to be greeted with a quick piece of paper here that's going to tell you how to mount it. It seems that's all it is. It lets you know what it comes in there, how to mount it, etc., etc. I'll go ahead and put that to the side for now. You also get your mount, your base for the mount. Very rugged. Obviously, it has to be fairly heavy for the size. I'm not going to use this. It's going to be mounted, obviously, like I said. You get an HDMI cable. You get a display port cable. They all look about 3 feet, I would say. They're not 6, so they're both about 3 feet long cables. I have my own cables also. Obviously, your power. This is really short also. I'm kind of surprised that this is such a short cable. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys. I'm only 5'9", so my reach isn't crazy long. This is probably about a 3-foot cable also, give or take. I wish it would have been at least 6. What is this? So they put your warranty guide in a little bag by itself. That's wasted material to me, but hey, that's the warranty guide. I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's get to the monitor. Okay, so the hole for the monitor is going to be inside when you open it, and it's a very easy. So I'm with this. This is similar to how the LG Ultra Gear was. You're just kind of going to put it in, clip, and there should be a little tab. Very simple. You don't need any screws for this. You can do this without no screws needed. Again, I'm not going to use that, so just want to get to the actual monitor. I was going to get another Ultra Gear 32-inch, but they're more expensive. I don't remember exactly what I paid for this. I'll put a link down below, but it was cheaper than the LG Gear Ultra Gear that I had, because the Ultra Gear was almost like $419.99 or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this box out the way, and we'll do a little 360 around the monitor. Okay, so I had to go and put my little Star Wars towel down. I didn't want to scratch it. So first impressions off the box are the bezels are extremely small. You probably can't tell in the video, but I really don't know what I would say as far as inches or metric system, whatever you use, but the bezel is about a pinky thick. A little bit bigger if you have fatter fingers, a little bit smaller if you have smaller fingers. The monitor looks really nice. So yeah, quality looks good, monitor feels good, bezels look good. Really won't know until I turn it on, and it's good because it's be right above the one, so we get a really good look. So what you get on the bottom here is a LED light, as you can see. I'm assuming that's what it's going to be. Don't know if that's going to stay on or whatnot. You have your power button right here, and that's it. So let's go ahead and turn it on the back, and I'll flip it so you guys can get a better look. Like I was saying, as far as the mount, you're going to go in at an angle, click right here, and it's going to just lock itself. And then this is the tab here that I was saying that will make it easy for you just to release it without any type of screws. The mount I'm going to use, I'm going to end up almost not to 100%. I'll take off these screws and just use the factory screws when I go ahead and put this on. But anyway, let's see the ports. I actually don't know what ports it does have. Okay, so very self-explanatory in the back here. I'll try to tilt it so you guys can see. Monitor's kind of heavy. You have HDMI 2, HDMI 1, display port, and then a 3.5mm jack, and then your power. That's it. Very self-explanatory. On this side here, they're not marked, so I'm not exactly sure what direction it's going to be as far as power and whatnot. But you have 4 buttons right here. So, you know, obviously 2 of them, 9 times out of 10 will be volume, and other 2, 1 will be like back and 1 should be enter, I'm assuming. But you do have like a little joystick here, so you should be able to control almost everything just like a joystick. Click, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but click when you want to select, and that's it. That's my unboxing on the Dell S3222DGM. Okay, now what I have here is the VIVO V011 mount, or it's called an extra tall mount that you can get on Amazon, and the pole should be 39 inches. And I know it'll swivel and whatnot, and whatever pitch. It was about 50 bucks. Don't know if I said that or not. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what the build quality looks like. Got highly reviews, so I expect it to be decent even for the price. I mean, holy boxes upon boxes. Okay, so I went in and opened everything. It's in a box, in another box, and then in two individual boxes. Which, I mean, it's a little bit much for me, but at the end of the day, it's good packaging. Okay, so this, I believe, I don't exactly know what part. I know this is the top part, and then I'm gonna put a plate here. Okay, so I know this is the part that's gonna have the monitor on it, and I'm gonna obviously have to put another part here. I don't know how that's gonna go exactly, but this is solid. I mean, you guys can't hear that most likely, but very solid. I mean, this piece right here is at least 5 pounds, maybe more. Getting to the hole. I mean, I'm very impressed with the heft of it, the weight of it, because, you know, something that's going to hold up to, I believe, a 35-inch monitor, or maybe longer, bigger. I've seen some people had a 40-inch flat screen TV. For something that's going to hold that, it needs to be solid. So you do have different mounts that it comes with. Okay, so I finally got everything open. Like I was saying, it does come with a different, you have the back plate that I'm going to be using. Not exactly sure what this is, but it's another mount. Alright, so this is just a quick overview of the setup. Excuse me, I'm kind of far from the mic. Again, this is the 35-inch LG on the far left. In the middle is the 32-inch ultra-wide Ultra Gear. And again, this is the 35-inch ultra-wide Scepter. So currently I have two keyboards. One's a SteelSeries, I'm not sure the number, not exactly sure the number on these. They're both one of the best you can get. And then I have the Mac Mini. So the goal is to have that fourth screen on top. So these three will be the Windows setup with my customs PC, and then even though I do have a webcam up there, you guys can't even see it, but I will have the fourth screen up here. So yeah, again, this is what it looks like now. All right, so it's complete. It was very simple to do. Had it mounted in less than, I don't know, it just didn't take me very long. And yeah, that's my 4 monitor setup, quad monitors. Very happy with how it looks, very happy.